So guys, here you see it, one more timing came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 641 by the name of design circular DQ. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question in Python 3. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And this is a medium one question which we are solving in today's video. And in today's video, there are some of the topics that included. In today's video, there are 4 topics that included by the name of array, linked list, design, and queue. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question, and total 2,86,000 people have submitted it, and only 1,84,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 64.4%. So now let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's move forward on the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, let's start today's video. In today's video, we are solving our question number 641 by the name of design circular DQ. Okay, so let's try to solve today's question. But first of all, we see the question. What is the question is trying to say us? Then we'll start to solve it in the LeetCode Camp website. So let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. So first of all, we start from the question. Let's read the question. It design your implementation of the circular double-ended queue and DQ. We implemented myCircularDQ class. First, myCircularDQ int k. It initializes the DQ with a maximum size of k. Number 2, Boolean insert front. It adds an item at the front of DQ and it returns true if the operation is successful or false otherwise. Number 3, Boolean insert last. It adds an item at the rear of DQ. It returns true if the operation is successful or false otherwise. Number 4, Boolean delete front. Deletes an item from the front of DQ. It returns true if the operation is successful or false otherwise. Now one more, Boolean delete last. It deletes an item from the rear of DQ and it returns true if the operation is successful or false otherwise. One more, int get front. It returns the front item. Returns the front item from the DQ and it returns -1 if the DQ is empty. One more, int get rear. It returns the last item from DQ, returns -1 if the DQ is empty. Second last, Boolean is empty. It returns true if the DQ is empty or false otherwise. One more, Boolean is full. It returns true if the DQ is full or false otherwise. So it has given me these are the implement of the circular DQ class. Now let's see the examples. First of all, see the example one. There in today's video, there's only example one are included. Only one example are included. So there's one input in which you wrote in that myCircularDQ insert last, insert front, get rear is full, delete last, insert front, get front, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, square bracket, 4, square bracket, and the output has been coming like this. Here you can see it. The output has been coming like this, and these are the some explanation. Here you can see it, which it has been given you. So now it is not necessary to read the explanation, but if you are a fresher or a beginner, so you can also read, you will be read it. So there are some of the constraints, it has been also been included. So if you are having confusion in the question, so you will be also be read these constraints. So let's try to solve today's question in the LeetCode Camp website, and we are solving this medium one question. So let's try to solve today's question. So first of all, what we're gonna do now, first of all, we start to solve today's question from here. Okay, so let's start to solve today's question. First of all, you define a class myCircularDQ. Define def init and then self comma k is for integer, so we define here self comma k equals to k. Here I maximize in this line, in number 4 line, here I maximum the size of DQ. In this line here, what I'm doing, let me tell you, in this line here I am here is one circular array to store the elements. Okay, and in the next line what I'm doing, let me show you. In the next line here I am writing self.front equals to 0 for the pointer to the front elements, means it is a one pointer to the front element. And then second one is self.rear equals to -1, it is a one pointer to the last element. Okay, it is one pointer to the last element. And first and the sixth one, this front one is pointed to the front element. Define self.size equals to 0. In this here I am defining a current size of the DQ. Okay, and now when we do this all the thing, we only want to do it. Enter, press, define def insert. You know what is the meaning of insert? Front, define self comma value int, and then here we define int. Okay, define here int, route here int, and then greater than bool, and then semicolon, then define if statement self dot is full, and then define rounded brackets. And when we do this all the thing, define semicolon, then define return false, enter back. Self dot front equals to self dot front -1, and then define module sign self comma k. In this line here I move front pointer to the back. Okay, then self dot dq, and then self dot front, and then equal to value. Perfect. When we do this all the thing, you only want to do it. Define self dot size plus equals to 1. If statement self dot size equals to 1. Self dot rear equals to self dot front. In this line here I adjust the rear when inserting first element, define return true. Perfect. So when we do this all the things, so you only want to do it, copy this and then recheck the code. Okay, recheck all the codes which we have written down. Okay, -1. Perfect. Now let's see. Okay, submissions. So run this code. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been accepted. You can see I think it will be not accepted, but it has been accepted successfully. Okay, so now last thing is submit this code. So when I submit this code, I think in this 7 line there is some little bit error, but there is not any error. So you can see in today's video we solve our question number 641, and I beat 90% people, and in 3 milliseconds. Okay, in the 3 milliseconds I solved these questions. So let's pause the solution. So I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solve a question number 641 by the name of design circular DQ. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. I'm making these type of tutorials, and successfully I solved total 290 questions. So we are very near to solve total 300 questions. So we will solve it as soon as possible. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. I'm making these type of tutorials. And I am thinking I want to change this LeetCode cam thumbnail. Okay, because this thumbnail is very older. Okay, so I think I want to change that thumbnail, because from my first video of a LeetCode cam was, let me see, I think my first video of a LeetCode cam was on, let's see, I think 1 month, not for 4 or 5 months ago. Let me see. So my first LeetCode cam video, okay, here is it. My first LeetCode cam video is on about 6 months ago, and I'm using this thumbnail. So I think I want to change a thumbnail, so I will be change it. Okay, so tomorrow or from tomorrow. So let's see it. But I hope you enjoyed today's video and today's solving video. But anyways, let me meet you in the next video, and next very amazing video like this. And you are in the older video you are supporting like 200 views, 500, 600, but now the views are coming very lower. Now the videos are not going upper. Okay, so why it is not going? So please see the videos and like, share and subscribe as well. So now anyways, let's meet you in the next video. So for today, goodbye.